Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back with another walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are in Seabrook Village, and I am here with Michelle with Riverside Homes. So Michelle, please tell us where we're at and what you're going to be showing us today.
Thank you. So we are at 44 Sea Green Way in Seabrook Village, and this is our Sebring floor plan. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it's just shy of 2,400 square feet. Let's take a look.
All right. I love how it's sea green way and the door's green.
And the
Beautiful.
door is green.
Fits perfectly.
It has a beautiful foyer entry that is 17 feet tall. So I always say this is the perfect corner for a cute Christmas tree.
Absolutely. A tall one too.
Yes.
You can get a huge one in
Yes.
here. But even that, you could put a nook here that you could either leave stuff on or credenza, a bench, lots of different options.
Absolutely. And so going into the main living area, over to the right, we have this beautiful kitchen and perfect for an entertainer. And it's open to the family dining room area. This little area I always refer to as the coffee nook.
Perfect.
And it does have double ovens. The top one is the microwave as well.
That's nice.
And it has this beautiful neutral backsplash and a gas cooktop with 2 deep drawers underneath. Perfect for pots and pans. And then one thing that I love that our designer did is we did panel wrap the cooktop. Oh gosh, the range.
The range, yeah. That was actually one of the things I first noticed when we walked in here. I was like, it's upgraded.
Yes.
It's an upgraded feature. It's beautiful.
Yes.
And the tile, like you had said, I actually love that you guys chose like a natural, a very, natural finish, because people can come in and design it how they want.
Yes.
Also love that the sink is in the island, so you can overlook when your guests and family are here. And of course, all the natural windows that Carling is going to pan to so you can see. So,
Yes.
So much natural light.
Tons and tons of natural light. And then this particular Sebring, we even added the double tray ceiling to define that space. And I just love that our designer did neutral finishes. So my goodness, you can go in any direction as far as designing and decorating.
Absolutely. And these beautiful warm floors really do help with that neutral finishes that you guys chose. Gorgeous.
And then this backyard is perfect. It's already, there's already a privacy fence installed. You can put a playground out there. Plenty of room to let your dog out if you have a fur baby.
It's a wide yard. It's always hard to tell on camera, but it is pretty wide.
It is.
Big pantry. I don't know if we pointed that out too. So.
And then we are heading into the owner's suite. And if you notice, there is no carpet.
I love that.
I love that too.
And you can add your own rug if you really need to.
Yes, to warm up the space. But I love the fact that there isn't any carpet on the entire first floor of this home. And then leading into the owner's bathroom, we did install a pocket door to add some additional privacy. And I love that our designer also selected this shiny tile, but it's neutral enough, again, with light brown cabinetry, quartz counters, and then a really nice size shower.
Oh yeah, the shower's huge. Love the tile, like you had said.
Yes.
Love that you guys took the tile all the way up with the shower. There's some shelving in the shower, which is really nice. That's always a bonus. Beautiful. And then carrying on with the floors into the I almost said laundry, into the closet.
Yes. And it is a really nice size closet.
It is.
Even if you did like custom closets down the road or even double shelving, it's a really nice size closet.
Definitely. Even as is, it's huge.
It is. It really is.
And great sized room as well for the owner's suite, so that's great.
Absolutely.
All right. And as a reminder, as we are in Seabrook Village, we are so close to the new school, which is going to be opening in the 2026-2027 year. So just walks or a golf cart ride away from that.
Yes.
And also very close to Seabrook Park, so that's quick access to that. So lots of great amenities nearby.
Absolutely. Thank you for reminding me. It's a perfect way to get your steps in.
Yes. Oh,
It
absolutely.
really is that close. Both of those, school and the park are that close to this particular property. And then it does have a really nice size laundry room, again, on the first floor. So no having to go up and downstairs.
Nice. It's a great size, and I love this drop zone right off of the garage, which Carly is about to pass to your left. And love the powder bath too, that she'll pop in just to show you guys too.
And then the closet underneath the staircase, I always refer to as the Harry Potter closet.
It's perfect for that.
It is perfect for additional storage, even hiding places too.
Yes. All right, let's head upstairs.
And then if you notice, obviously going up the staircase, it is wood treads that are cohesive and match the first floor.
Beautiful. Well, again, it really brings in that warmth with the very neutral palette that you guys chose for the finishes. And I just think it really adds a lot of dimension to this home.
Tons of light once again. I absolutely love those 3 windows.
Yes.
And then this really nice spacious loft area. Oh, yeah. My goodness, endless opportunities on how to use this space. Families love it though. Yeah. It's such a multi-purpose space.
You could use it as a playroom, an office, a secondary living space.
Yes. And then heading towards the front where Carly is heading to, there are 2 bedrooms with nice sized closets. Once again, the front bedroom has those 3 cute windows that are very unique. It would be super cute to put a bed right underneath those windows.
Absolutely. Great sized rooms as well. Tons of natural light. And I love that they're kind of tucked away over here. Great for kids' rooms or office, those types of things.
Yes. And then a really nice appointed secondary bathroom. So again, this home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms.
Yeah, it's a great size house. And then I love that this one has an ensuite.
An ensuite.
And it's got a walk-in closet.
It does.
Yes.
So it's very deceiving.
Yes.
And another feature that I really like that our designer did, we installed the tile at a diagonal.
Oh, I love that.
Yes.
Just gives it a different, kind of different look.
Yeah, I think it's a little more elevated than.
Absolutely. This room would be great for like if you have like a little mother-in-law suite, or if you have a teenager that needs its own area as well, or even for a guest that would be perfect for them to have that space. All right, well, let's go back out to this bright loft. And Michelle, please remind us where we were at, how people can get in contact with you, and any special things you want to share.
Absolutely. So once again, we are at 44 Sea Green Way in Seabrook Village, and we actually have a model home that is decorated, if anybody wants to take a look at that, at one of our Nocatee locations as well. But feel free to contact us. Our information will be included along with the video.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Michelle.
Thank you.
This home is beautiful. You definitely want to come and check it out here in Seabrook Village in Nocatee. But we hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you guys soon.